Folks, let's talk about the Ekster backpack in this video. But I have some new accessories for this that I do want to show you and how it has held up as well. I've taken it to all my ski trips. Now, something that you can also do with this is 600D water resistant material and waterproof zippers. So if you're a filmer on the surf boat, paddling into shore, taking this on your snowboard trips like I have, because as a full-time YouTuber, I also work on my trips as well. The backpack obviously performs like a backpack, but it just looks so stinking cool. And as we jump into this video, guys, top link in the description box right below the video, that's going to be the exact link for this backpack, not to mention all their other wallets, accessories, and a coupon code so you guys can get a discount on your backpack, on the wallets, accessories, whatever it might be. Depends on when you're watching this. They're having an absolute fantastic sale right now, and save even more with my coupon code below. Use that coupon code at checkout. Now let's get straight on into the video. Ekster has designed their products really nicely. So just a quick overview. You have a couple pockets right through here. I put like chargers, I put SD cards, etc. But we're going to get into more of the accessories that I've just got my hands on as well. In this right here is my drone folded up with charger, controller, 2 batteries, etc. Over here is my GoPro harness for fat tire snow biking, also if you're doing like cross-country skiing, hiking, etc. I got my MacBook charger. And I got my GoPro. Actually, I think I have 2 GoPros in here with my accessories, 2 GoPros, my handheld accessory, and some charging and accessory cables there as well. That all fits nicely in here. You have some elastic band slots, like a tablet slot or a small laptop there. And what I like about that is it folds completely open, which is really cool. And then let's see if we can get the shot on camera. But in the back slot here, I have my MacBook Pro. I think that's the 15.6 inch. So this can hold up to a 16-inch laptop in the back area here. It has a lot of cool features to it. You also have a side area here. You can put your water bottle. Really coolly designed with all the features here. Nice padding and straps on the back. RFID protected pocket right here. And a handle right here on the bottom if you want to lift it up that way there. Again, I have a more detailed video already. I'll link that below in the description box below this video. But now I want to show you an accessory for the backpack, which comes with this little drawstring bag as well. And the backpack comes with a beautiful drawstring dust bag as well. You'll see in my full write-up video I keep talking about. Okay, so this is designed just like the backpack here. Super sharp looking. You got some cool little accents to it here. Same type of material as we can see here. So this does come with a strap as well. And this is the camera cube, if you are wondering. The zipper opens up all the way around. So this folds out like this here. And this we're going to get to as well. This is the power bank that Ekster makes as well. And you do have your around the neck, around the shoulder strap right here for this case as well. So if you don't want to take your whole entire backpack, and let's just say you're doing a quick little filming section and you just want to take this with you, definitely a possibility as well. Has nice little areas here for your lenses, and those are Velcro, so you can bring those out if you needed to move that around, etc. Nice and protected, nice and soft on the interior portion here. And you have 2 of those slots right here and here. We'll have to switch over cameras so I can show you that with the DSLR I'm filming on right now. And then you also have a zippered area here, and you have a zipper area here, SD cards, lens filters. You guys get the idea, and again, very soft material all the way through the camera cube here. Alrighty, switching over here, I got my DSLR, and we have the power bank right here as well. This is a 26,800 milliamp battery-powered power bank here. You got your fast charging, your in, your out, and a battery indicator light right here as well, going up to 4. So you pop that in your backpack as well while you're traveling. It is flight safe as well. And then this is what your camera cube looks like right here. Now I have an adapter on this. This is a full size. This is the EOS R mirrorless DSL camera by Canon. It does have an adapter with a, decent size compared to my fist, decent size lens on it, but with the adapter it makes it a little bit larger as well. I also do have my tripod mount. I always keep it on there for just easy filming, popping it on and off. So that just sits right in the middle here. Of course, you can put your other lenses right here, and then that zips up all the way around, just like this here, keeping your DSLR inside your backpack, nice and secure and toasty. So now inside the backpack, we have my camera cube, my drone. I could put my GoPro and all its accessories inside here, my charger over here, or in one of the other pockets over here. I still have my laptop in the back, zipping that up beautifully. Now I'm ready to go hit the backcountry, get some drone shots of snowboarding. I can set this down in the snow without worrying about it. Overall, great accessories, great backpack, and do not forget about their wallets as well. I've reviewed pretty much every single wallet they do have. They make great products, beautiful looking products as well. So definitely, once again, top link in the description box below of this video will be the exact link, and use that link to head over to check out their products, their wallets, and use the coupon code TipsNNtricks. It's all in the description box below of this video. Use that coupon code at checkout. Don't forget about your discount. Save some money so you can buy some more equipment, some more snowboard gear. Every penny in the book makes a happier camper. Well, guys, if you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on your way out, helps the channel. Also subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, tech-related videos. Thank you for your time. Once again, top link in the description box below. We'll see you on the next video.